Good morning, students. This is your GK class. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and obeying your parents. Today we will study about the female Indian athletes. And my dear, we are putting much effort to make these videos. So please go through these videos and all the answers of your question you will get in these videos. Okay? Now today we are going to study about the female Indian athletes, means lady players, female players. First is of Mary Kom. Mary Kom is Mary and Kom is popularly known as Mary Kom. She was born in Manipur and she is an Indian Olympic boxer. And she is the only female to make 6 times winning record of World Amateur Boxing Championship and the only female boxer to win a medal in each of the total 7 World Championships. And after 2 babies also she has won the medal. So on the life of Mary Kom, one film is also made, and the name of the film is also Mary Kom, and Priyanka Chopra has acted in that film. That film is based on the life of Mary Kom and all the struggles which she has faced in her life. Second is Sakshi Malik, and she is a pioneer in more ways than one. She has won Olympic bronze medal, and she is a woman wrestler to win a medal at the Rio 2016 Olympics. And she changed the perception and became a role model to future generation of female wrestlers. Beside Sakshi Malik, also I will show you the picture of female wrestler in this page. Next is Rani Rampal, and she is a hockey player, and at the age of 15 she was youngest player in the national team which participated in 2010 World Cup. I am showing you the picture of Rani Rampal. Say this is the picture of Rani Rampal. Next is about Geeta Fogart. She is also a wrestler, my dear. That only I was telling that I will show you the picture of more. And she is 4 sisters. They are called Fogart sisters, and all of them are wrestler. She is a freestyle wrestler who won India's first ever gold medal in wrestling at Commonwealth Games in 2010. She is also the first Indian female wrestler to have qualified for the Olympic, and she has participated in Khatron Ke Khiladi also, the serial which is coming on the TV. There mostly stunts are shown in that serial. Now this is the picture of Geeta Fogart. And one, my dear, film is also based on her life only, Dangal. Now see Saina Nehwal. She is a female athlete and she is a badminton player who competed in Summer Olympic Games. Saina won a bronze medal at 2012 Summer Olympics in London. And I am showing you the picture of Saina Nehwal. Picture of Saina with her medal. Next is Mithali Raj. And Mithali Raj is a cricket player, my dear. She is from Tamil family in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Her father is Dorai Raj, who was an airman. And she also started to play at the age of 10. I am showing you the picture of Mithali Raj, and she is the captain of Indian cricket team. Indian cricket team. Now comes PV Sindhu. The full form of PV is Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. When you will go in South India, South India, you will see in South Indian people are adding their parents, grandparents' name with their name. So her name was Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, and in short we call her PV Sindhu. She is also a badminton player and the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. And after her, Saina Nehwal, the picture of PV Sindhu. Deepika Kumari. She is an Indian athlete who competes in the event of archery. She is in archery and is currently ranked world number 9 and is a former world number 1. She has reached the first rank also. Right now her rank is 9. She won a gold medal in the 2010 Commonwealth Games in the women's individual recurve event. And she is from Ranchi, which is our neighboring state, Jharkhand. And from Jharkhand only, the player MS Dhoni, cricket player, also belongs. Next is Deepa Karmakar, and she is a gymnast, my dear. And she became the first Indian gymnast to win a gold medal at a global event when she finished first in the vault event of FIG Artistic Gymnast World Challenge Cup at Mersin, means Turkey. Now you can see the picture of Deepa Karmakar. Next is Deepika Palikal Karthik, and she is an Indian professional squash player. She is the first Indian to break into the top 10 in the PCA women's ranking. I am showing you the picture of Deepika Palikal. Thank you, my dear. And you have to write only the name of the player. Wait. In copy you will write CW, HW and date. And you have to write one side name of the player and the next side the game which they play. Here will be the name and here will be the event they play. Do your work very neatly, my dear. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once more.